for the 7-year Congress and this is the first ever year Congress in India. It's very important for us to bring it. It's very important for us to be here because India was always in the first line in intelligent automation, RPA. And now we are finally here to talk with a lot of experts, but even students, because it's very important for the community to have people that wants to start immediately in this technology. This technology is quite is not so new, is quite mature, but we need a strong people, strong expert that can bring value in the companies. It's very important for us. So I'm very happy to be here, and I'm very glad to have a lot of people here.
Okay, sure. Hi, everybody. I'm Christina Duta. I'm one of the presenters here at the Intelligent Automation Congress. I'm very happy to be here. I do believe it's an opportunity for everyone in India to attend these type of events, as we're going to have more and more throughout the years. It's an opportunity for students, but also for organizations, because we have a co-located event together with this one, which is a hackathon, and it is a chance for everybody to learn about the new and emerging technologies. So I do encourage everybody to look out for the new events that are going to be announced, because there are many more to come in India. And I want to say thank you to the organizers, because they brought some very nice speakers on the stage, and we got a lot of insightful details. Thank you.
This is Sai Krishna Mallam. I am the executive member and organizer for Intelligent Automation Congress, Hyderabad. And this is our first event in Hyderabad, and this is the 7th event that is happening. And the remaining all the 6 events were happened in all over the Europe, like Milan, Barcelona, Rome, and this is our first event in India. So why we bring this to India is, okay, now in this age of artificial intelligence, this kind of events make us to understand how the technology is revolving day by day, and the automation is going very fast. So everyone should understand what are the changes that are going to happen in next 2 years. So we want to make awareness to everybody to understand about Intelligent Automation Congress. And this is the first event, and there can be more events are going by next year. So we'll get in touch. Okay. The motive of starting this company is to make aware of the people and create a community of automation people, the people who wanted to use automation in their businesses and even in their organizations. So they have to know how to use. But for the common people, the automation is a very big thing. But to educate everyone, so we are going to start this initiative in India for the first time.